Very, very vital substance and essential thing for our life. Even then, without knowing also, we are consuming water. Water is a natural resource which is very essential for all the life forms. What are life forms? Life forms are nothing but living organisms. Plants and animals are called living organisms. Without water, they cannot survive. That's why we are consuming water whenever it is needed or required. Let us see the components of water. Water is composed by or constituted by or formed by two substances. One is hydrogen and the other one is oxygen. If we are drinking water, it means that we are supplying oxygen and hydrogen to our body, because oxygen is a life-living gas, life-giving gas. Without oxygen, life is not possible. Life is possible on the earth because of three forms: atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Let us discuss about the important one is hydrosphere. Hydro, water. When you are consuming water, your body is hydrated. What does it mean, hydrated? It means the water content is supplied to all the cells in the body, because each and every activity is undergoing in the body in the liquid form. Let us see the blood. Blood is circulating entire body in the liquid form. If blood is clotted, coagulation, that is called coagulation, then what happens? There is no circulation. There is no supply of nutrients to the cells. There is no supply of oxygen to the cells. There is no elimination of unwanted and desirable waste materials from the body in the form of sweat, in the form of urination, in the form of bowel movement. Then what happens? The organism, that means maybe plant or animal, will die, because water is playing an important role in taking the nutrients to the body. Nutrients. What are nutrients? Anyone 7th class children? Nutrients. Already this is the concept of 6th class. Already you all learned. Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, they are called nutrients. These nutrients from the food, they are supplied to the cells through water in the liquid form. Our body is made up of muscles, bones, different living in these organs. They are all composed of water. Do you know that 80% of brain is having water? If you are not taking water, the brain will become hard and cells will be damaged. What are the structure and functional unit of brain? Neurons. Neurons are not, once damaged, they cannot be formed again. But blood cells can be formed, but neurons cannot be. That's why, as the aging is doing in the body, memory loss. We forget things, but you cannot forget. Childhood things were already incorporated in the brain, but whatever happened in these days, we are forgetting. Yesterday, what I took in my lunch, I have not having the information in my brain, but in my childhood, it is there in my brain, what I did in my childhood, because neurons are very active in the childhood, but in this age, at this stage, neurons are not that much active. Neurons are the nerve cells. That's why I am insisting and I am reiterating that water is very, very important for our body. That's why consume more and more water when it is required. Don't waste water. Water is life. Jal hai to kal hai. Is it not? Jal hai to kal hai. For example, if there is no water in the earth, in the ground, underground, water table is downward, depleted. Depleted means what? Reduced. If water table is depleted, there is no replenishment of water. What happens? All the life forms will suffer from water scarcity and drought occurs. My dear children, save water, consume water, and what is very, very important, because water will supply all the nutrients from your food to the cells. Water eliminates the waste material from your body, and water will keep you living, and water will keep you active and happy. Thank you very much.
Claps. Go.